Good morning, my dear students. How are you all? I hope you all are would be fine. I am your English teacher, Apeksha Didi. So, welcomes you all. This is your second class of Unseen Passage. In our previous class, we learned what is Unseen Passage and why the board include this unseen passage in the reading portion. So now we turned on the third. That means when we start to solve a passage, what should we keep in mind? That in your exam, when you see a passage in your first portion, that means section A, what should we keep in mind while we start to solve a passage? So there are some tips here. First one is solve section A firstly. As we know that in our section A, that is reading section, and most of the students thought that we take this part in the last because there is a long passage, so it takes time. But this is wrong. We have to solve this part firstly. Read questions before passage. In our reading section, there is the question, read the passage carefully. But don't do this. You have to read questions firstly, and after the questions, you have to read the passage. Take the answers lightly. Your invigilator give you instruction that please don't write anything on the paper, but don't take it too much seriously. And whenever you start to solve the passage and after reading the questions, when you read the passage and the answers in front of your eyes, just tick the answers very lightly with the help of pencil. Last one, use 15 minutes of reading time for attempt section A. You all have 15 minutes before in the hand answer sheet. That means the invigilator firstly distribute the paper, and after the 15 minutes he give you the answer sheet. So use that 15 minutes for solving a reading portion. Okay, next, what should we not do? That means what things you have to keep in your mind while you start to solve a passage that you don't do. Don't attempt section A in last, as I give you the instruction about that in what should keep in mind, that don't be attempt section A in the last. You solve the section A firstly. Don't read passage again and again. Most of the students do this mistake. They read the passage again and again, but please don't read the passage again and again. Just read it one time only, and after that, if there is any need, then read it again. For new question, don't read the same line. If the answer of the first question you find out in the first 3 lines, then for the second question, don't read that 3 lines again. For the second answer, read out the 4th line. Okay, don't read the same lines again and again. Next one, there are some tips for solving a passage. Try to understand the meaning of every context to the passage. When you read the passage, just try to understand what the author wants to say. What is the meaning of the every context? Second, after reading the question, thoroughly turn to the passage and try to find the answers. After reading the question, without wasting your time, go through the passage and start to read the passage. Third, answer should be in the same tense in which the question given. If your question is in the that means passage in the past tense, then for your answers also use the past tense. But from this year the board is declared that there is no any marks deduction for the grammatical mistake in the reading portion. Okay, so don't be panic for that if you did any grammatical mistake in the passage, but just try to that you don't do any grammatical mistake. Fourth one, most important, time management should be followed. You have to keep in mind that you have only 20 to 25 minutes for solving the reading portion, so don't give too much time to this portion. Next, answer the question on the basis of the information given in the passage. Do not use your own views, expression, and imagination. That means if the author give a passage and there is Sachin Tendulkar is a football player, so some of the students just raise your hands and give them and give a question and throw a question on the invigilator that Didi Acharya ji, there is a mistake in the paper because the author wrote that the Sachin Tendulkar is a football player, but he is a cricketer. Don't use your own views. If the examiner says that Sachin Tendulkar is a cricketer, accept. If he says Sachin Tendulkar is an artist, accept. If he says Sachin Tendulkar is a doctor, also accept it. Don't use your own views and your own imagination. Last one, check your answers before writing them. Whenever you start to write the answers, just blinking of the eyes, just pass out your answers from your eyes that the answers are right or wrong. Okay, now I have a passage for you. Just try to solve this. Read the passage given below and answer the question that follows. So now what we do? Give me answer. Read the passage or not? No, don't read the passage because previously we learned that first of all we have to read the questions. So the questions are: mention any two major common concern of a nuclear family. Just what that is nuclear family, that is clear. The passage is about the nuclear and joint family. Second, who according to the passage are responsible for them. Describe the atmosphere in joint families. Explain the expression charity begins at home. That means everything we have to start from ourselves. Last one, which word in the passage means holiness of life. We know that the meaning of the holiness, pavitrata, purity, that means sanctity, शुद्धता वर्ड हम यहाँ पर यूज कर सकते हैं. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चंस, सिनोनिम ऑफ लिबर्टी, फ्रीडम, सिनोनिम ऑफ मिजरेबल, दयनीय. नाउ go on to the passage. First para, the culture of nuclear family is in fashion. Parents are often heard complaining about the difficulties in bringing up children these days. Too much of freedom in demand, too much independency, overnight parties, excessive extravagance, splurging pocket money, no time for study and family. Just whenever we read this, we have in the mind that there is a question about the nuclear families. So what is the question? Again, go through the questions. Mention two major common concern of a nuclear family. So your answer is too much of freedom in demand, too much independency. Just tick out slightly with your pencil. Second para, all this is a common cry of such families. Aren't parents themselves responsible, or the pitiful state. We also have this type of a question, that is second question. Who according to the passage are responsible for them? So your answer is parents themselves responsible for this pitiful state. Now, the basic need of a growing youth is the family, love, attention and bonding. Just after reading that, we have in mind that this is the qualities of joint family, and we also have this a type of question is there that describe the atmosphere of joint family. So the answer is love, attention and bonding. Just tick this answer with the pencil slightly. Next, one should not forget that charity begins at home. Also we have this type of question. Explain that charity begins at home. That means we have to start everything from our own self. Now the last question. Which word in the passage means holiness of life? So I think we can use the sensitive word for this. Synonym of liberty, para 1. Yes, I also want to give you this instruction about that. If the synonym and antonym are the examiner give in the question, he also write there that in which para you have find that word. So synonym of liberty, that means para 1. So go through the para 1. We know that liberty means freedom. So there is a word that is the word is here freedom. So the synonym of liberty is freedom. Last one, synonym of miserable, that means dayaniya, and there is a very simple answer in the para 2, that is pitiful. So start writing the answer. First one, too much independency and no time for studies and family. Nuclear family ka that is answer belongs to the nuclear family. Second one, parents themselves responsible. Third, joint family. Children get a friendly atmosphere and they also learn to adjust within minimums. Fourth one, the parents should not forget, that is given that one receives. And the fifth, holiness of life, that means sensitive word. Answer for the synonym of liberty, freedom, and synonym of miserable, pitiful. So in this manner you can solve a passage and gain full marks. Thank you so much my dear students. Have a nice day.